In this video, I will show you how to make this daisy granny square you can use in so many different projects. I will make a lot of them because I want to make a dress. And for sure, I will share it with you, so don't forget to subscribe to not miss it. Let's get started. To make this square, I will use DK yarn. This is Melissa Sweet, it's acrylic one, and this is also Melissa but platinum cotton. 4 mm crochet hook, scissors and needle. I will start with yellow yarn. So make a magic ring and chain 2. Now, inside this magic ring, we will start working half double crochet. So we have 1, 2, now chain 1, again 2 half double crochet inside magic ring, 1 and 2, chain 1, and we will repeat this 6 more times to have a total of 8 groups of 2 half double crochet and chain 1. So this is my 1, 2, 3, 4, 4th group. The 5th one, and still 3 more to go. Okay. Why I start with half double crochet? Because I want this circle to be a little bit smaller than if we make it with double crochet that we will use for the rest of this square. Okay, just double check, because I think this is the 7th one, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and my last pair. Okay, chain 1, this will be our last chain 1, and we will enter here into the first half double crochet we made. So here we will just make a slip stitch and we will cut this yarn. Okay, here we go. This is what we have right now. And now I will take my white yarn. I will start making a slip knot, and now I will enter with my hook into this space of chain 1, doesn't matter which one. So here, insert your hook and I will make a chain of 3. Okay, and now yarn over and insert your hook into the same place and make like unfinished double crochet. So right now we have, to make a whole double crochet, you should make this once again, but I will stay here with these 2 loops on my hook. Again, yarn over, insert into the same place. Okay, pull up the yarn and pull through only 2 loops. So right now we have 3 loops on our hook. Again, yarn over, insert into the same place, and again pull through only 2 loops. So right now we have 4, and we will repeat it one more time. So insert, pull through just 2. So right now I have 5 loops on my hook, yarn over and pull through all 5 loops, and chain 1. This is our first petal. Okay, right now I will chain 1 more and I will go directly to the next chain 1 space, yarn over, insert into the next chain 1 space, again pull through just 2 loops, we have 2, repeat the same, 3 loops, one more time, 4 loops, and the last time we have 5 loops on the hook, yarn over and insert a pull through all these 5 loops. Okay, and chain 1 to finish it. This is our second petal, and right now instead of chain 1 like we did here, we will chain 3. So 1, 2, 3. This is how we will create space to keep making corners of our square. So now we will go directly to the next space and we will repeat another petal. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. We have 5 loops on the hook and pull through all, chain 1. This is our next petal, the third one. Chain 1 and go to the next space. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4, and chain 1. Okay, again we will make a chain of 3, 1, 2, 3, because here we will create another corner. You can see it already. Okay, yarn over and we go to the next hole. So we have 1, 2, 3, and 4, and chain 1. Now chain 1, go to the next space, 1, 2, 3, and 4, chain 1. Don't forget to chain 1 after every petal. Okay, now again we will create a corner, so we will make a chain of 3, 1, 2, 3. We'll go here and we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. Close this petal, chain 1. Okay, and we still have to make just one more. So here we will just chain 1 and we will go here to this next space to create our last petal. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, close this petal, and here as you can see we have to make a corner, so we'll chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and we will make a slip stitch into this stitch here where we closed the petal. So not into the chain that we made in the beginning, but here into this chain on the top of our petal. Okay, and this is what we have right now. Here I would like to chain 1 and we will cut this yarn So this is what we have already. It looks like a little daisy. But now we will finish our square. I will use my black yarn. So again, I will start with a slip knot. Okay, and I will insert my yarn into the corner, this one. I like to switch the place to insert new yarn, turning the square all the time. I think it looks nicer. So we will start making a chain of 3, and now into the same space we will make 3 double crochet. So 1, 2 and 3. Obviously, yes, you can use this first chain as a double crochet, first double crochet also, but this time I prefer to do this that way. Okay, now I will chain 1 and I will go directly here to this space, and in this space I will make a group of 3 double crochet. 1, 2 and 3. Chain 1 and we will go to this corner, and here we will make a group of 3 double crochet. So 1, 2 and 3. Okay, I will push it a little bit here. Okay, now chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and in the same place we will make another group of 3 double crochet. 1, 2 and 3. So our first corner is ready. Now I will chain 1. Okay, and we will go directly to the next space to make a group of 3 double crochet. 1, 2 and 3. Chain 1, go to the next space. This is a corner, so here we will make a group of 3 double crochet. Chain 3, and in the same place another group of 3 double crochet. 1, 2 and 3. Chain 1, go to the next space, a group of 3 double crochet. 1, 2 and 3. Chain 1, and here we have our third corner. 1, 2, 3, chain 3 and 3 more double crochet in the same place. 1, 2 and 3. Chain 1, and we still have here only this one space left in the middle. 1, 2 and 3. Chain 1 and go to this last corner, the same that we started. Here we will have a group of 3 double crochet, and the third one, chain 3, and we will make a slip stitch to the first double crochet we made. Chain 1 to secure it, and we will cut our yarn, and our daisy granny square is ready. Now it's time only to weave in all these ends. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and see you next time.